Hi, I'm back again. Today we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to do a little walkabout today. So I'm holding the camera and I hope it's stable enough for you to get my point. So today we're talking about batting, and that's the part that goes in the middle. Now, this is the batting that I use. Sorry for the messy transition there. And you can kind of see it doesn't look very thick, right? See how it's quite thin, but this is 80-20, 80% cotton, 20% polyester. It's very, very soft, and it's very easy to work with. It's I just love how it lays out, and I love how it works with the fabric. This is how I buy my batting, in one big, huge roll. And the thing I like about it this way is that it's very flat. When you buy it in those pre-packaged things in the store, they have ripples and buckles and seams and dents. One thing you will never see in my sewing room is polyester batting. Some people think that because it has the loft, it's thicker. That makes it warmer. It really doesn't. It just makes it really hard to work with, and it disintegrates a whole lot faster over the years. It won't last as long as your cotton batting. If you're concerned about the warmth of a cotton batting that feels a little too thin to you, then I would say make your first quilt and decide after that, because it is a lot warmer than you would think. And I would also say that you can double up the thinner cotton batting if you want some extra weight or some extra warmth. The other thing that you can do is go with a wool batting in the middle. It's a little more expensive, but it's definitely a lot warmer. And there's also bamboo batting, which is really nice. But you'll never ever see me use synthetic polyester batting. Just won't do it. One other thing to remember about your batting, it is not pre-shrunk. So if you pre-shrink your fabric, you're still going to kind of get that puckery effect when you wash it because your batting is not pre-shrunk. So that's why I never worry about washing any of my fabrics before I quilt with them. A lot of times too, you'll hear quilters talk about their stash of fabric, but you know what? I have a stash of remnants of batting too, and I don't ever throw it away. You might feel like, well, if I buy this batting, you know, it's too wide, it's you know, I'm going to have all this excess and it will just go to waste. Batting never goes to waste, believe me. You can always find something to do with it, or you can always piece it together and use it inside a quilt too. So that's the end of today's video, and I hope you had a good time, and I'll see you in the next video. And I hope you all are thinking about quilt patterns and getting excited about buying your first fabric.